Welcome back to the channel, Pyros. Today's demo is a good one. Apocalypse by Shotgun Brand. 9 shots, huge bursts. There's your tubes. So about what, about 1.5 inches? And there's your performance. The world ends with a bombardment of 9 monster-sized bursts. At least you're going out with a bang. There you go. With a description like that, it should be a good one. I have seen these, so I know they're good. So on to the demo. Alright, we got Apocalypse by Shotgun. 9 shot. Should be good. Man, that spread. Crazy. I'm grabbing a case of those. I should have been up the hill for that one. Way up the hill.